hello everyone.
Hi.
Hello,
Hello
week two.
Hello.
Welcome to
everyone.
week six. Um,
Okay, hi. What's up,
so
guys?
hi. We've been meeting after a long time, almost 2 weeks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So I guess
2 weeks.
everyone has prepared themselves for the final showcase. This is the
Yeah.
showcase.
Yes.
We're going to show what we've learned in 6 whole weeks, and I guess it comes out to be good for everyone. So let's just start with it. Let's show everyone what we've got. All right. So again, in the same order, we'll start with Nishita. Nishita, food,
Yes.
please.
Showing.
Siddhant is very hungry.
Uh,
I am.
share screening.
I guess
Post.
Siddhant is waiting with his
Everyone
plates.
Yeah.
Post allow.
Host, allow her
Oh
to share
yeah,
her
sure,
screen.
sure, guys. Yeah, now you can.
Oh,
Oh my
wow.
god.
This
Okay,
is
nice.
Siddhant,
Wow.
take.
मैं आ रहा हूँ मैं आ रहा हूँ
Spring roll,
I'm waiting.
momos.
let's book our tickets,
Guys,
guys.
it
Radhika,
looks
we're unable to
yum.
hear you.
Uh, hello.
Yeah, you're in. Yeah.
Okay, I'm saying let's book our tickets.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Man,
definitely.
let's
I
just
sure.
go.
I'm waiting.
Let's just go. Chalo.
Yeah.
finally, Nishita, congratulations, you did
Okay,
it.
there is one more. There is one more.
Cutlet.
Oh my
There is.
There are
god.
many pics. I'll show
Achha,
everything.
there are many. Okay, nice,
Wow.
nice, nice,
Okay,
nice.
nice.
What is this?
This is chicken chili, dry.
Oh,
This is
Yeah, I
chicken.
was thinking.
Nice,
Okay.
I'm
nice.
coming fast.
This is my South
Dosa.
Indian dry.
Wow.
morning breakfast.
Yeah.
The best morning breakfast one can ever had.
This is my
Oh,
Oh,
dal
Punjabi.
makhni.
Oh, Punjabi.
Wow.
Wow.
Kulcha and all. Nice.
Pasta.
Arey,
Pasta.
pasta.
Nice, nice, nice.
Nice, nice, nice.
And
I think she has
Noodles.
taken some tips of mine from earlier session and shooting it in a
Yeah,
correct
Yeah.
I love,
lighting order.
but guys, I
She's
love baby corn in noodles. It
Me
looks
too,
so
same.
tasty.
Yeah.
this is the
Nishita,
basic.
matlab, I must say
basic
you
dal
did it.
chawal.
Okay. So I must
Yeah,
be
man,
thinking
you
that
you did
this
it.
was your initial
Last.
one.
Momos. Oh
Oh,
God.
This is last. This is the last one.
It's
oh.
so tasty. Yeah.
Nishita,
It's
you
like
have
yum.
outdone yourself. Matlab, you learn. You've
Thank you.
learned. You've learned what you
I've
said
learned
to.
so much. We are so proud of
Yeah,
you.
we're
Yeah.
really
Thank you.
सब में
proud of
खाने
you.
को मिलेगा
Clap for
बच्चा
her.
अच्छा.
Clap for her.
Dehradun. Dehradun.
Finally.
तेरा तू.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I mean, in
Dehradun,
6 weeks, she has learned cooking, you guys. I mean, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so tick, I guess, on one of us. More pretty good. And moving on, next we have our photographer, Mr. Nikhil.
Nikhil.
Please tell everyone what you've got.
So let's start like during this pandemic. We are not supposed to go out that frequently.
Right, right.
So just tried to capture some best places of the city. So the
Okay.
first one. So this is the Albert
Oh my
Hall,
God, that
Wow.
is beautiful.
Beautiful.
That is beautiful.
and you can't imagine that this is a COVID scene and there is this much of traffic.
Yeah, I mean,
Wow. Wow,
you still
Nikhil, that's
managed to
really
somehow
nice.
get those cars and
really
autos
nice.
in a
Yeah.
perfect still. You know,
Definitely.
that is brilliant. Brilliant.
That's
And
the
one side of
basics
the
that
road is
I
wet
talked
and the other side is
about
Yeah,
dry. It's really
like
yeah,
shutter
perfect.
yeah.
speed thing.
Like,
Perfect.
right.
Looking very nice. You had edited it very good.
Yeah,
Very
this
good.
is
Very
That is
nice.
so.
okay. Nice, nice, nice.
With this, we move on to the second shot. This is the same place, but in the night.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
Right.
very
Wow,
Nice,
nice.
wow, wow.
nice. Oh, the moon, man. The moon.
Moon.
Oh,
Moon. I was also noticing the
Whoa.
moon.
oh, dude, that is pretty good.
And so
That is pretty good.
the earlier shot was from the smartphone. This one
Okay.
was from the smartphone. I was risking myself by standing in the middle of the road with that traffic.
Okay.
and
Wow.
and
Yeah.
this one was
I
taken from
mean,
a
that's what
DSLR
photographers do.
to risk our lives.
That that's what photographers do, man. They reach a place where nobody reaches, and they capture such emotions which are,
Definitely.
not seen by naked eye.
Yeah,
You've done great, man.
that's
You've done great.
pretty good.
Yeah.
It's very good. We are waiting
I'm
for the
liking that car effect very much as
Yeah.
well, right?
Pretty
I
good. Like
loved it.
trails and stuff.
Yeah.
Like because
Okay.
I was shooting in the low ISO to get the details in the mood, so I have
Okay.
to increase the shutter speed to get those
Okay.
details.
Okay.
So that's why
Okay.
these trails come out to the frame, and in the post it looked really nice, I think.
Okay.
Really good. It's very nice.
Really good. Clap for
And
him, yaar.
I'm
Yeah.
also getting in the genre of
Oh,
Nishita.
Oh,
food.
food.
So I
You
just
made
tried.
this yourself?
Yeah, I made this. Uh,
Okay. Nice. 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 The
Wow.
presentation and everything. Sauce dots.
yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
Nice.
This
Nice. Nice.
like
Very good.
I was telling you guys that angles matter. So this was one of the angle, and the other one is this. Like this is the top
Right.
one, and this is the 45-degree angle.
Hmm.
Yeah,
And you
nice.
will not believe that I have taken this shot in the
Okay.
night.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Yeah, it doesn't look like it, man.
Like it's night.
Yeah,
So
definitely. Good. Very
that's
good.
and
great, man.
this
That's great.
I tried capturing from my morning walk, which I usually do.
Oh, so that
Wow.
is beautiful.
Wow.
That is
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Very beautiful.
This is one of
Yeah,
the
the perspective
Bright
thing that you were
colors.
talking about, I believe,
yeah,
right?
but
The
like
perspective
this
thing
is
that
one of
we
the
were talking
composition
about earlier.
Yeah. That's
which is called frame in frame. Like this
Okay.
is a corridor of a place,
Yeah, right. Right.
Patrika Gate. So
Hmm.
there are corridors. So people usually takes photograph from this side to this side only. So I
Okay.
changed my perspective and took this corridor. And in last there is
Nice.
a door. I guess I have the
Yeah.
photo of that door too. And
Acha, okay.
this no one can resist.
Oh, my favorite
wow.
tea chai is love.
So
That is very good, man.
like
Yeah, that's
just
nice.
added a bit
My
of
favorite
moody
is
tones to it,
Yeah.
to the general footprint. And
Okay.
this one
I
is
just hope the leaves didn't
architecture
fall
photo.
in the.
wow. This is
Nice.
beautiful.
Okay. Nice. That is good. That is really good.
The detailings are
Okay.
very nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Definitely.
So you've learned photography,
So can you see
and
this?
yeah.
Yeah.
Guys,
This is a
5 minutes
light
left.
painting. So this is where I tried light painting. So I
Okay.
wrote three things with this. So first letter is I
Hmm.
in it, and
Yeah.
the second one is a heart, obviously,
Yeah. Obviously, and you,
and the last one, but not the
you.
least, and the most important.
Very nice.
That is nice.
So it is in the series I, Heart, and Thelma.
Nice gesture.
That is pretty good, man. The light thing. Like I've
So this
seen
was
it before, but yeah.
this was the example of slower shutter speed, where you get
Okay.
those light trails and all. Uh, uh,
Mm-hmm.
this I Love Ma was a light painting which I did.
Okay. Yeah, man. You've really done good. The
Yeah.
photography,
Very
like, aa gayi hai tujhe,
Yeah,
we can
Nikhil.
safely say.
Just
Every
waiting,
angle he knows which angle is the perfect angle to click the picture.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially that road one when half of the side was
Was
wet.
I
dry
like
and
The
the
that
other
half
was
is
beat
wet
one
dry.
is
very
the
much.
perfect thing. It's the
Every
perfect
That
thing.
one,
Definitely,
yeah.
this week show like the hard work you guys did in this week.
Yeah, so yeah, we've like done pretty great, and it is showing that we've all learned a little something in 6 weeks, and if not perfect, but yeah, we are there now. So
Yeah,
okay, moving on. Uh, so now I'd like Yashi to tell everyone what she's learned in
yeah,
6 weeks and show everyone what she's done.
yeah. Hello, guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to sharing my video and I also uploaded it in YouTube. I hope you guys watching it.
Yeah.
Yeah, of
yeah,
course.
yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Wait, I'm just showing my video.
This is so nice.
This is so
Yes,
good, man. Yashi,
So
you
graceful. It
outdone
was very
yourself.
nice.
Graceful.
It's very
thank you
nice.
प्यार
guys.
से
Thank you.
सलीके से इसने वो हर मूव किया
अदाओं
ना.
के साथ. अदाओं
हाँ
के
यार,
साथ.
the माधुरी दीक्षित
बताओ।
thing.
Hmm.
And I like the
Thank you so
footwork
much, guys.
also that
बहुत ही
she
अच्छा किया है
learned.
यशस्वी
Yeah,
को।
everything was
Thank
Yeah.
like perfect.
Thank you.
Footwork, expression, moves, sleek movement था, बहुत अच्छा था.
Mm,
It's really good. तालियां,
Yeah.
तालियां, तालियां.
हर वीक का काम दिखाई दे रहा है, बहुत अच्छा किया है सच में।
सही में.
Thank you, guys.
She's
Thank you.
put everything together.
Yeah.
Okay. So now Radhika, I'd like you to show what you've done in painting for our final showcase.
Combined my watercolors and acrylics this week. So I started
Okay.
with acrylics from day one of this week. So
Mhm.
this is on what I made on day one. This is completely.
Nice,
Wow,
nice,
nice.
nice. You
Very
made this
nice.
with acrylics or watercolors?
I said acrylic color
Okay, acrylics. Okay,
color
okay,
without
sorry.
water.
Oh.
Without water. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Like autumn season.
ये बिना पानी के
this-
कैसे आया यार वो effect?
Yeah,
the
that's
artist.
talent.
It's a bit
That's
That's
the
the
shocking.
talent, right?
It's a
the
bit
art.
shocking.
Yeah, and this one is also made with acrylics, but this is made
Okay.
combined with water.
Wow, this
Wow.
looks
Yeah,
beautiful.
okay.
Wow, it's
Pretty good.
awesome.
Detailing is very good.
And this one is completely made with watercolors. Like it's made in 3D.
Okay.
Autumn
Really
season.
Made
nice.
completely with watercolors.
You're able to see how nothing is going out of line. मतलब ये
Yeah,
इतना
yeah,
सा
yeah.
भी hard नहीं है,
Proper,
बिल्कुल
proper.
perfect
Like
है.
Yeah.
outline is
Yeah.
being followed.
Perfect.
Yeah, kind of. This one is made with perception and watercolors combined
This is
together.
the
Like
best one.
This is
This
the
Wow.
is the
Well,
best one.
best.
Right.
The
Just give
whole
me
The
the
lights are
vibe.
actually glowing. It's like
Yeah.
you have pasted original lights. It's
Yeah.
like
Vibes
that.
are
Yeah.
there.
I also made a Instagram page and I posted the video of making this on that. So you guys can also
Okay.
have a
Nice.
look at the
Nice.
video.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
we'll get behind the scenes.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
going to following
And
it
the
right
bloopers
now.
also.
Okay, this one is last. It's like hello future.
Hello, future.
Wow.
Okay,
Hello,
nice.
future.
Nice.
Nice.
It's a nice greeting card. You can turn it into a greeting
Yeah.
card.
Yeah.
And send it
And
to all of us
now,
on Christmas.
Send it
Radhika,
to
now
Siddhant. He's waiting for your
Yeah.
greeting cards.
I-
He's waiting for
I'm
my
also-
food, his
I'll be-
photography, her
Photographs.
dance. He's sorted. Like he wants
He is not
everything
waiting
from
for his
everyone.
music. Other than that, he is waiting for all
Yeah,
of
I'm
us.
waiting
He's
for
waiting
his
for
music.
everything.
Yeah, Siddhant, please start soon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I will start posting soon on Instagram
Yeah.
or Snapchat or
We'll
something.
be waiting.
Great,
We are
great.
waiting for
Nice.
that surely.
Okay, so
So,
everyone,
okay.
do share your in the respective platforms
Siddhant is
IDs
there?
and all. So we
Yeah.
Sure.
we will be putting it
Yeah.
in the video.
That way. Yeah, sure.
Okay, all right.
So now
okay.
Siddhant.
Yeah, me. finally, I am
The
a
most
little
excited
nervous.
person for all of us.
Um,
Now it's your turn.
Yeah.
We are excited for you.
Yes.
I haven't honestly done much, so I'm a
It
little bit
takes a lot of time in
nervous.
guitar to
Yeah,
get
guitar it
really
takes time.
accustomed to it. Like it takes
Yeah,
months.
maybe, but yeah, I have something. I will show you guys again. There is the guitar.
Okay.
Um, okay. So that
Very
is what
nice.
I had.
Wow.
बीच में थोड़ा गड़बड़ भी हुआ एक दो जगह पे.
No, you are
But yeah,
doing
It's very
great,
nice.
and it's very nice. Yeah.
In 6
The
weeks, it's like
transition of notes
doing a
is
good
very
job.
nice, from like slow
Yeah.
to fast and very.
yeah, that is what I mainly focused on this week.
Yeah.
So
Strumming and all.
Yeah.
I can see.
strumming and all and everything.
But the main, the
So-
most important thing in guitar is, I think, the strumming and to remember the chords and the
Yeah.
transition.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
right. The
Exactly,
transition
exactly.
between chords. Mm. So
How
that is
smooth you
it.
go
I
with
guess
it.
Yeah.
we've done it. We've all learned a skill in 6 weeks, and now to clap for everyone,
Yeah.
all of us. So yeah, that is it. That is our showcase, and this is what we've got now. So yeah, now we've not only learned a skill, but we've learned a lot, I guess, in these 6 weeks. So I just want everyone to share one or two things that they have learned besides these skills. So randomly start with anyone. Yashi, you go. You go. You.
Okay. I just learned. I'm just giving one line just to express my point of view. Like, dancer don't need wings to fly. That's what
Okay.
about dance? Dance is like something you felt by your heart. It's something you
Mhm.
dance by your heart, then just forget it in front of others, like who are seeing and who are watching. Just explore your stage, just dance like no one is seeing you. So that's all I have to say. Like, this 6 week I learned about dance very deeply, very heartily, and definitely I am not going to leave this, and I'm just
Okay.
growing and glowing with the flow. That's all.
So the
Nice,
stage one
nice.
thing, I think that you should add this thing that dancers are the dolphins of the ocean of your
Yeah,
flows.
definitely.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
Definitely.
And one thing that you said, and I think that applies to all of us, is we should not leave this. We should continue with what we've learned in these weeks, and we should take them like with us ahead.
Yeah.
Because I think everyone is doing really great in what they're
Yeah.
doing. So
Yeah,
I
there
just
is a
request
thing
all of you
like
to continue.
if you are learning something, then definitely I know that motivation is important, dedication important, but the most important thing is what your heart say about that particular thing.
Right.
If your heart
Yeah.
is allowing it, like yes, you have a potential to do this thing, then definitely you are going to rock it.
Right. Right. I agree. Okay. So Nishita, do you have something to say?
Yeah, it makes me a lot more confident learning something new, that I have one more thing in my platter that I can showcase.
Mhm.
Like if I
Right.
cook good and if my mood is not right at any moment, so one thing that I think of is let's cook, because
Mhm.
it will be soothing for me and it will be the beneficial for the other people who are eating it. They'll feel nice, and seeing them also, it will make me feel more good. So it gives me a
Mhm.
confidence and also a satisfaction that I have something more to do rather than just being so like lying around and doing nothing.
It's like good
Right. Right.
to chop vegetables than to chop heads.
Yeah, right. Right. Let's short and do
Right.
something good.
Yeah, right. If you want to destroy something, do it with food, right? Make
Not
something
with
good
other
out of
people.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that is good. That is good.
Yeah.
Radhika, do you have something to say?
Yeah, I think according to me, what I learned, the most important thing in this experience is that there is nothing like rules to follow when you are learning an art
Mm-hmm.
or something. You just need to go with the flow. You do whatever you feel like. Like in the first, like in the some week, I shared that I stick to a video and follow that, and nothing went good with that. But in this week, finally, I realized one thing, that you don't need to follow the rules. You just need to go with the flow. Whatever you are doing, be content with that. Whatever your mind is saying, go with that. Because in the end, your peace of mind is what that matters the most. So yeah, we
I
should
agree.
do
That's
whatever we
uh,
feel like.
it is applying for all of us, I think.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yeah,
So there
So
is nothing
good.
like
that's
sticking to
nice.
the rules. Just go with the
Right.
flow.
The heart wants what it wants, I think.
Yeah.
And
Hmm.
you always get to it once you have your heart and your will in
Mind
something.
to it.
In
Yeah.
something, right?
Yeah. Nikhil, do you have something to say?
Well, I would like to say that as we have in the first session of ours, we said that
Hmm.
we didn't get the time for it in our earlier
Right.
days. So what I feel in these weeks, like it's of course our college also, which was going side by side. So it's all about time management that we did
Hmm.
and learned these skills uh, alongside our college. So the main thing I have learned through these sessions are like one of the most important is Nishita's cooking also
Right.
gave me a
I think
boost.
we all benefited from it. We are
Yeah.
going to
Yeah,
benefit
Yeah,
from it.
Yeah.
like we
Our
benefited
Dehradun life would be
out.
very good.
Yeah, sure. Why
yeah,
I
not?
agree.
yeah,
I agree.
definitely.
So, like each one of us has got different fields, different
Hmm.
genres. Like one is from guitar, one is taken food, one has taken dance, one is an artist in itself, and one cameraman of all of yours. So,
One is who captures all of the beautiful and priceless
Beautiful things we
moments.
do. Right.
so
Yeah,
well, it was a fun learning, I will say.
Hmm.
And we all learn time management, like doing college side by side and learning a new skill. So this is
Yeah.
what I have learned from this skill learning process, and many more tiny things from you yourself, Siddhant, like even your fingers were paining and you
Yeah.
continue to play guitar. So it also
yeah,
teaches determination, that how determined you are about a thing to learn.
yeah,
So
definitely.
these are the things that I learned from these sessions.
Good.
Great.
That is
Very
good.
good.
So, lastly, I'd just like to summarize it up and then end it. And want to say is, it doesn't matter how many times you fall. What matters is that you get up every time and then you keep going with it. You take it to a point of perfection and then you show it to the world that yes, I have done it. That is
Yeah,
what I learned
that's all
in these
matter.
6 weeks, and that is what I learned from all of you, because all of us have just picked up a skill that we knew nothing about, absolutely next to impossible it was for us, and we have taken it to a level where we can showcase it to the world that yeah, I am good at this, I am able to do this now, and I feel really really proud for all of us. So
Okay,
it was
let's
nice.
clap for all of us.
Yeah, clap
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
all of
Yeah.
us.
Big
It was
round of
nice doing
applause.
this with all of you.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
So
was a nice
thank
team.
you.
Nice teamwork.
Nice
Thank you
team. Yeah.
so much, guys,
Thank you,
for
all of you. Thank you for
supporting me
doing
and
Thank
this.
you.
motivating me.
Thank you,
Yeah,
everyone.
same. Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank you.
Thank
everyone.
you.
It
Thank you.
was
Thank you.
a good team, and we did a good teamwork.
Really
And
nice job.
our leader Siddhant Pansal, who hosted this
अरे
whole
leader था
sessions,
ये.
Yeah, we should
big
clap
round
for
of
him once
applause for
again.
Yeah,
him.
I will
So
clap for the host.
The
It was very
leader
good
जैसा
host.
या host
Yeah.
जैसा कुछ नहीं है. It's all because of you guys. अगर आप साथ नहीं मिलता है ना इंसान को तो कुछ नहीं कर पाता. So okay,
yes,
thank
So,
you See you
Thank
till
you.
next
Thank you,
time.
guys.
Thank you
Okay.
guys. See you
Bye-bye.
guys.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, Aish. Bye.